Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are taking you on some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous situations await just ahead. Fasten your seatbelts and jump in. Witness the raw power and timeless beauty of the 1974 Kenworth 12V71 as James begins his journey home from the truck show. This classic beast roars, showcasing the unparalleled performance and iconic sound of the 12V71 engine. Join us on an unforgettable ride filled with nostalgia, power and pure truck passion. Truck recall failed, viral hype. A tense yet hilarious situation where a truck is downloaded to become the center of a gay war. Instead of a presentation, the repossession turns into a surprise performance, with unexpected service moves, and even some eye-catching moments. Accident logging and recovery. Explore the full-blown moments in the forestry industry. From unexpected incidents on dangerous forest roads, to the love affair with the power of modern machinery. All show the amazing resilience and skill of human people. In a dramatic story, two powerful agricultural machines, the Dukes Far AgroTrack 620 and the Kirovets K701, joined forces to rescue a DAF truck stuck in deep mud. With their superior power, the two tractors' harmonious coordination created an impressive performance, where mechanical power confronted the harshness of nature. The Zator 7245 Turbo in the forest is a powerful and attractive image. With a powerful turbo engine, this tractor easily overcomes rough terrain. From red muddy trails to dangerous rocky slopes back, the roar of the engine blends with the sounds of nature to create a special harmony. Let's admire the powerful agricultural vehicles that have overcome the challenges of the weather. After the rain has passed, these vehicles are not only symbols of mechanical strength but also evidence of durability and resilience in harsh conditions. Proved together with each wheel hugs the ground tightly, sliding through the remaining puddles, and continuing the journey with amazing stability. The tractor rushed up the slope with overwhelming power, the wheels digging deep into the ground. The powerful engine was as strong as a wild beast in the forest. Each of its lifts was like a battle of conquest. Strong and powerful, not at all shaken by the challenge of the steep slope. America's Best Logging Truck is a title that captures the essence of power, precision, and strength. Imagine a large logging truck, its wheels gripping the rugged mountain roads, hauling heavy logs with unparalleled skill. As the driver navigates the narrow, winding roads, the engine roars with power, easily handling the weight of the logs. The Big Bud 16B747 tractor, known for its size and sheer power, takes center stage in an incredible display of agricultural power as it tackles the plowing problem. With its roaring 16-cylinder engine, this behemoth plows through the soil with ease, leaving perfectly plowed soil behind. Imagine Shot a mighty beast of a vehicle, accelerating up a steep, rugged slope with half its load still intact. The engine roars with determination. The wheels dig into the rugged terrain as the massive truck defies gravity. The Peterbilt 359 Classic, with its powerful engine, roars down rough logging roads, leaving a thick trail of smoke. Its timeless design, combined with the sheer power of its performance, makes it a true symbol of strength and resilience in the logging industry. When traveling on narrow, winding mountain roads, the truck's wheels grip the uneven terrain with precision, while the heavy load of logs swings behind.
Jak ten wyjebie na bank, zobacz, stuwa, rondo jest jak... Patrz, patrz, patrz! Kurwa, ale jak?
Happy New Year 2025. Wishing you a year filled with strength, resilience, and unforgettable moments. As we enter this new year, may it be filled with smooth rides, whether on the open road or through the woods, and may the machines we admire continue to demonstrate their power and precision. Here's to another year of inspiring moments, whether in the cab of a truck or gazing at the beauty of nature. Imagine a giant amphibious bus boot, gently rolling into the water with a splash. The wheels, once firmly rooted to the ground, now easily transform into powerful propellers, propelling the bus forward into the vast, sparkling waters. The transition from solid to liquid adventure is seamless, as the bus glides through the water like a ship, giving passengers a thrilling, one-of-a-kind ride. The 4x4 Off-Road Trial Pro modified in the Euro Trial is an exhilarating showcase of automotive power, where powerful machines push the limits of off-road capability. With finely tuned suspension, reinforced chassis and specialist tires, these vehicles easily conquer the roughest terrain. Drivers masterfully navigate challenging obstacles, demonstrating their precision, speed and control. Transporting logs across the lake is a challenging yet fascinating task, requiring a combination of dexterity and precision. Picture this. Large logs, harvested from deep in the forest, are carefully loaded onto sturdy rafts or barges. Mist rises from the lake in the early morning, creating an ethereal atmosphere as the logs float gently across the water, their enormous weight challenging the water below. Get ready for an exciting journey with the powerful Zator 6245, as it takes on the challenge of moving logs on slippery, steep and treacherous roads. With its superior power and precise handling, this tractor is not only a reliable companion, but also a symbol of strength in extreme conditions. The original Subaru easily dominated the test track, leaving all its rivals in the dust. With raw power and precise handling, it tackled the steep gradient like a seasoned pro, proving that sometimes simplicity and engineering excellence are all you need to outdo the rest. On day 2 of the 2023 Half-Century Progress Exhibition, the fields come alive with the raw power and precision of giant tractors plowing the soil. As the sun rises, casting a golden glow over the vast grounds, the roar of engines signals the start of another day of extraordinary agricultural feats. Reading in Northern 2102 roared out of Port Clinton, the powerful engine roaring as it sliced through the clear air. The locomotive, a veritable giant of steel, pulled with tremendous force, sending a wave of energy across the tracks as it surged forward. The whistle echoed across the valley, a powerful signal of its unstoppable momentum. Hyundai H100 Damper Casa application is a versatile and powerful solution designed to enhance vehicle performance and durability. This application focuses on optimizing the suspension system, ensuring a smoother and more stable driving experience. With advanced technology, Hyundai H100 provides superior shock absorption, ideal for both urban and off-road environments.
Вон, видишь, меня вот это серебристое поджало. Они ехали сзади, они прям впритык в бампер. Бах, встал, вот она его подкинула. И все, ворота вот откнулись, я только успел, бах, и все.
Alright everybody, there goes number 3. We got one skin tied after him, and I believe that's going to be it. The road gave out on us.
Heavy equipment logging is a fascinating sight, where giant machines work in the heart of the forest, working together to cut down timber with precision and power. Giant haulers, equipped with towering cranes, move through dense forests, pulling huge logs that seem to defy their size. Imagine the powerful Unimog, a true workhorse, effortlessly maneuvering across the soft, undulating sands of South Rocks, Fraser Island, Kala Rocks, with the waves constantly crashing against the rocky beach. The vehicle's powerful engine roars as it pulls its load, maneuvering through challenging terrain with precision and power. Thank you for joining us in this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.